Abana nigo babwate byegwa ao ebibaganeti bisirwe elio bichiko bakonya asa matuko alebosio omwana Gloria Biyaki kurwase skuru ya Elimu Academy nigo bono ayanyartiko bakago kora matemwaye akerasi sano na isato ase kolende abwate byegwa ao gati yabo okwegia amo nogotenga molikoito ndemo Steven na mutarira omwana yo Biyaki na gotwaleganira roboti rokobwatia.
She wanna flex with me, she wanna break bread with me. Bad man looking good in the bad man drip to the car. Sports cars parked on the right spot. Bad man slick and you know.
Kando nogotenga omoroki gu Gloria Biyaki okora matemwa KCPE kurwe skuru ya Elimu Academy na bwate wa binde bibira munechi gosoli choko egia drama gotera na koira mashairi ya ywa balimu na Bible baye bagokerete mono.
So ntubuna balimu twabere tokomolera buya and ntumaite no mwana obwate a vision in her talent and what makes her talent to be achievable. She is bold and courageous. Mumanyete a talent yega yogotenga osiyoko act in drama requires people who are bold, courageous and outgoing.
When I came to Elimu, I came in the year 2019 when I was in class 6. Then after that, we had a film of a taste of jazz that I acted there. And then after that, we went to another film that was called Kalongolongo. I was also there. And the support that the teachers give me, they give me a lot of support in my talents so that I can exploit them.
Nonyaigo, ogosoa kwendwali ya COVID-19 na machikabeku. Niga turubanie byegwa bya bana bwa sevono ogosanga gwechi skuru chinyinge gwetera amamerano yebyegwa anyara kwenda inse.
With the COVID era, it took me a negative way because we used to go to many places so that we can act. But then after that, it had to be cut off so that we could just concentrate on studies but not in our talents.
So we pray that tunabono COVID ya poire machika ile ndanyara ko bagakorusiwa. Because talibana bonsi babwate kegwa kyogosoma mbaro babwate kegwa gie talent na kulingana buna toroche iskabu talent is also paying
ine maroro ki Gloria bwate gwetera sebyegwa nechisemi chiaye.
I did my best and I know I will pass. Yes, and my dream school is the Kenya High and I hope to go there.
Ngoteba nga Nyasaye mokonye kakogenda gochimotuto konyara ko batokonya ko support n'abasani banene family gochimoto nyara ko bakogende kegweke nerachiko ba Esther gochimoto ne kegweke kiaye.
I want to be an actress, then after that I will make my own talents club that I can make children to exploit their talents.
Bad man looking good in the bad man drip to the car. Sports cars parked on the right spot.
Omwanche buli anara mangetwe manyiri gwetera omugano ye Gloria yote biria mangi gwetereke wa kiaye ebirengaria bwate byo gwasoa ime skuru ya Kenya High na maroraria mange abwate inko reporter ta senikia Ndizi TV kurwa igase skuru ya Elimu Academy elietaliane ndemo Steven.